Sa pagdinig ng House Committee on Health, binigyang diin ang kahalagahan na mapaigting pa ang pagpapalakas sa healthcare system ng bansa at matiyak na handa itong tumugon sa pangangailangan ng mga mamamayan. Dito'y tinalakay ang pagpapatupad ng Magna Carta of Barangay Health Workers na sa kabila ng mahalagang serbisyo ay umaasa pa rin sa maliit na allowances at honoraria mula sa LGU.
Who pays them? They're basically under the LGU. They're given allowances by the barangays, given allowances by the mayors, honoraria, pero kulang pa rin po. These are really frontliners na once we can empower, train properly, can really make the primary health care more effective and more efficient.
Pero ayon sa DOH, hamon pa rin ang dami ng nakatalang barangay health workers sa bawat distrito dahil hindi sapat ang budget para masuportahan ang pasahod sa kanilang lahat. Kaya't mungkahin ng departamento ay professionalize ang mga BHWs.
Giving them salary grade 1, but meaning they would have requirements, maybe an NC2, National Certificate 2 training, which we already have. The other one is looking at the experienced ones, those that have worked for several years, mga 10 years experience. Ang dami ng training po nakuha niyan from DOH, talo niya pa yung NC2. Maybe they should also be classified. So these are some ways to contain the cost.
Inilatag ng Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas o BSP ang kanilang proposed legislative agenda na nais maisulong ngayong 20th Congress sa Committee on Banks and Financial Intermediaries. Isa na rito ang Credit Information Act na layon isulong masuportahan ang mga negosyante na nasa micro, small and medium enterprises o MSMEs na magkaroon ng access sa mga financial institutions at magkaroon ng credit rating score para hindi na nila kinakailangan pa lumapit sa mga lending business katulad ng 5-6.
Mr. Chair, I think that's one of the primary goals of our Priority Act. It is because to give the appropriate confidence in assessing the risks of these SMEs and be able to give them the credit that they need at the price that is appropriate for their.
Para sa totoong balita sa Bagong Pilipinas, Naj Miravalles, Congress News.